Welcome to the MLP channel.
Hello and welcome to the first video in the Programming C# series. In this series I'm going to teach you guys how to code C# like real pros. But first, I would like to say that myself, I'm a student. I'm not a teacher, not everything like that. Though I do believe I have the skills and the means to make you guys very skillful C# programmers. So let's start with the basics, getting the Visual Studio program. As you can tell, you would need to go online to get it. So just open your browser, go to the search bar and search Visual Studio. Okay, so this Visual Studio program is from Microsoft, and we're going to download the community version, which is free. Okay, so in order to do that, you go and click on downloads. Be sure not to download the code version. Go to downloads, and here you could choose from various versions. You could go for the Visual Studio Community, you could go for the Studio Professional Enterprise Trials, but they are very not important, not giving anything important. And the Visual Studio 2017 RC, that is the newest version. It is quite of a beta, and you would get a license only after signing up to the Microsoft, I don't remember, Microsoft something of coding. So I would advise doing it though, because it is a very nice program, a bit more sophisticated than the last one, adds very cool stuff. So you go and click on that, you download it, and press. Yeah, very sophisticated things over here. So you would be asked to press continue, and then it would open up. Okay, just wait a second, let's wait for it to open up. Okay, so in here you can see many different options, and it could quite dazzle you. So I would want you guys only to press the following things. Press the .NET Desktop Development, this might help us later. Press the Universal Windows Platform Development, that would also be useful. And if you would like to learn Python in it, it is nice, but there are better fitting Python development programs. Node.js, same thing. Yeah, and those are other things you would not like to deal with. Not important, not helping you. Okay, so don't click on anything here, you won't need it. Just select your location, select installation nickname, and install. The problem with this installer, that it takes quite a long time, so it takes about 1 hour to 30 minutes. It's somewhere between that to download it, and I will see you guys later after you download it. Okay, so I'm assuming you just finished downloading the program, so you would see the icon on the desktop, but I don't, because I don't like it being there. I have it right over here, right next to my amazing games. Yes. Okay, so this is the view. Okay, this is what you see when you open the program. Maybe not for the first time. You would have this little window saying what settings to choose for the first time. I would just go click on next, and the only thing I would change is switching the view to dark theme. It looks way better. But if you've already done that without seeing this part, just go to window. Well, you know what? I'll check that and return. Okay, so I'm back. What you need to do to change the theme is go to Tools, Options, then go to General and color theme. I'm using dark. You could use blue or light, but the problem with the light one is that it is very bright, and when working late, I sometimes do that. It hurts the eyes very much. So I usually code in this dark version. It looks way better also. Okay, so after doing that, you're pretty much done for this video, and I'll see you next time. Be sure to leave your comment, like or dislike, and subscribe if you like this video. Goodbye.